drought is a hazard, right? Drought itself is just a kind of natural event in the ecosystem, right? Whether that hazard turns into a disaster, like with major impacts on people, forcing them to migrate or leave, really depends upon the societal responses. In the 1930s, we had the Dust Bowl drought, which was a major disaster in the central United States. We didn't have a whole lot of government help at the beginning, and this led to a mass migration of 3 million people. We've had plenty of bad droughts since then, but because we've had better governmental support and aid during those events, we haven't seen anywhere near the same level of disaster, right? And so, I think these increases in drought frequency in different regions of the world are going to create additional stressors and increased hazards. But again, at the end of the day, it just depends upon how the governments kind of deal with these things, right? And if they can provide, because nobody wants to pick up their backpack, abandon their home, and then travel 2,000 miles with their child unless they're absolutely desperate, right? And so, if there's some reasonable amount of help from national and international, governmental efforts, then I think we can reduce the impact of those events.